Hello guys, you're actually welcome. Today we're talking about the Lyf Coin platform. So it's actually a staking platform that can help anybody to stake their coins. And one of the things you have to look at is the issue of saving. So in this article, you can see that people in Venezuela, they are actually trying to create a craft from the Venezuela Bolivia. So it has become worthless now. And if you read this article, you will discover that this stuff, the values now, as at 2018, when this article was written, 3.5 bolivians was worth $1. So imagine, for example, you've spent, let's say, 30 years of your life, and you've been able to save 350 million bolivars. That means your 350 million bolivars will just be worth 350 million bolivars. Let's say 250 million bolivars divided by 3.5. That would just be what? $100. And that is just like 10-hour wage, a day wage in a place like the US. And that is a very, very bad one. So you see that there is inflation. So with inflation, your money it's reduced. Now on that thing again, that is where blockchain actually comes in with staking. But there is a problem with the staking when it comes to staking. If we look at the kind of crypto that you can actually stake, you see the amount that you can stake, and you talk about the staking provider and all that, the technical stuff and all that. I want to introduce Lyf Coin. So what is Lyf Coin about? So Lyf Coin is actually a platform where you can actually stake your coins, and not only stake your coins, it's very, very cheap. So you can even start with something as low as $20 if you talk about the plans, and of which we'll talk about in a minute. And then you can also get reward on non-staking coins. So that's one. So let's talk about the plans. So these are some of the staking pools you can see. So with as low as 250 coins of these Lyf coins, you can start getting rewards. So you can get like 20% reward, and the list continues. So let's talk about how you can actually use this platform. So why is this platform unique? KYC is done within a very few minutes. I know that.